Hey everyone, welcome back to Cyberwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your online presence, basically how to disappear on the internet. You can use this for privacy, security, or even if you're into ethical hacking. But before we get started, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Do not use this to harm anyone or hack without permission. Alright, let's get into it. First things first, you'll need Kali Linux machine. If you don't have it set up yet, go ahead and do that. Once you're in Kali, the next step is to update your system. By the way, Proxy Chains is a Linux tool that forces any TCP connection to go through a proxy server. It allows you to route your internet traffic through a chain of proxies, making it harder to trace your real IP address. Alright, let's update first. Just type sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade. My system's all updated. Now let's keep moving. Now you need to go to root. Next, we're going to configure proxy chains. This tool is key to keeping your traffic anonymous. To edit the proxy chains configuration file, type this command sudo nano /etc/proxychains.conf. Here, we're going to use dynamic and strict chains. For example, we're going to change something here. We're going to remove star from dynamic and put star on strict. In dynamic, we can use as many proxy and stay anonymous. You want your file to look something like this. This is example show here. How can we use proxy? Now we need to find some proxy IP addresses. Open Firefox and search for free proxy IPs. You'll see a bunch of websites offering these for free. Go ahead and pick the first one. Here you'll find IP from different countries. There is so many IP from other countries. For example, if you want to use a German IP, look for DE in the list. Go ahead, copy that IP. It said HTTP. We're gonna type HTTP and paste that IP here. Now save the file. Alright, now we need to install Tor. Just open a terminal. Type sudo apt install Tor. Once it's installed, let's configure it. Type sudo nano /etc/tor/torc. Scroll to the bottom and add these two lines. Copy. Exit nodes. Since I want my location in Germany, so I am going to put DE next to exit nodes. And I'm going to type strict nodes 1 at the end. It should look like this. Save the file by pressing Ctrl + X, then Y, and hit enter. Now, restart Tor with this command, sudo systemctl tor restart. Something is wrong here. Maybe the command is wrong. Wait, let me try one more time with different command. Oh wait, it is sudo systemctl restart Tor. After that, start Tor, sudo service tor start. Check that it's working by typing sudo service tor status. If it says active, we're good to go. Now open a new terminal. Now that everything's set up, it's time to use proxy chains. Whenever you want to run a tool or even browse anonymously, just use proxy chains before the command. For example, if I want to open Firefox, I'll type proxy chains firefoxgoogle.com. It'll take a minute, but soon you'll see that your traffic is being routed through the proxy. If you look at the terminal, you'll see a new IP address. See, it's gonna take so many time. Alright, so once you are on Google, let's check our location. So I am gonna go to a website called What Is My IP Address? So I'm in a website. As you can see, my location is in Germany. I never went to Germany, but I am at Germany LOL. That's how you can use proxy chains to change your locations. If you want to make it harder for anyone to track you, you can add different country codes to the Tor config. For example, if you want to appear like you're in France, you can use FR. Want to appear in Russia? Use RU. The more countries you add, the harder it'll be for anyone to pinpoint your real location. You can also edit the proxy chain's config to use a French IP. Just make sure you edit it like we did. So that's how you can hide yourself online and even disappear if you need to. Again, this is for educational purposes. Don't use these methods to cause harm. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Cyberwise. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next video.